Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a huge collective early Christmas haul. I found a lot of themes and it just got really bright in here. Working with natural lighting, so bear with me. But yeah, I found a lot of themes from Homegoods, Target, Hobby Lobby, Dollar General even. So there's a lot of cute finds and definitely budget-friendly items within this haul. And a lot of these items I believe are still able to get in the stores. Some of them you have to hunt for, which really sucks. For the Christmas decor theme this year, I am leaning towards like the multicolor, like Christmas lights. Like I just want a lot of color in my home. I usually do like that woodsy forest type Christmas where it's like blues, whites, creams, and greens. So this is kind of like my inspiration. I'll insert like these photos. I kind of want to add a lot of color and just make it different this year. So let's hop into this haul because it's a lot and I'm excited. So I am going to show you guys the first, like the only thing I picked up at Walmart so far because they're really just stocking the shelves for Christmas. But I found this little guy and it's super cute. I love plants in my home and this has the Santa in the plant and oh my god, isn't it so adorable? These are $6.98, so not really a bad price at all, and it's just super cute and simple. I'm thinking of putting this in my kitchen. I kind of wish I got another one. I may get one more. I don't know. I'm undecided, but it's a cute little Santa planter. Alrighty, I'm trying to do the themes that I got the least amount of stuff from, so that's kind of the order I'm going to go in. Hobby Lobby, last year I got this little Santa dish. They don't have it this year, I don't think. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while, so I don't know. I do know that they have a spoon rest, but I really love this one that I got last year. It's just super cute and I'm going to use that by the stove. And $7.99, it was half off. Like I said, I don't think they sell this one this year, so this is like one of those items I'm sorry you can't find, but it gives you kind of like an inspiration. I mean, maybe HomeGoods, Marshalls, or one of those stores will have something similar to this. The next and the last thing from Hobby Lobby is this Christmas tree cutting board, and I believe they do sell these again this year. I got this last year, and I've always wanted just a simple tree, like charcuterie board. And yeah, it's really cute, very simple. Target sells these, HomeGoods has them, like all the places have like these cheese boards. I like the size of this because my kitchen is smaller, so this one works out perfect. But it's just a cute little simple tree cheese board. Okay, so that is it for Hobby Lobby. We are gonna move on now. Where am I going? We are going to start with Dollar General. I have actually been really loving that store for seasonal decor this year. So the first one is this really cute canister. They have two options. I think they have like a green one and then they have this red one. And I am going to use it as a utensil holder next to my stove for my cooking utensils. Isn't it cute? And this was only $8, you guys. Like such a good deal. And I'm just gonna remove the lid and just have this as like a cooking utensil holder. But I thought that would be really nice next to my stove and in the kitchen, just to add a little bit more festivity in there. God, the lighting, yo, like chill out, man. Next, I wanted to get some Christmas mugs this year, so I got 2 Christmas mugs from HomeGoods, and then I found the other 2 from Dollar General, so these are them. I was having a hard time picking out Christmas mugs because I wanted to find a good balance. Got these 2 little cute gingerbread mugs. Like, aren't they cute? Look at that. The pattern, they're just red and festive. So nice. These were only $3 each. Literally 2 of these for 1 cup from HomeGoods is what I spent. haven't. But yeah, they are dishwasher and microwave safe, which is awesome. So they are perfect for guests and just not an annoying cup to own. But just a more close look at it. Last thing from Dollar General, I found a doormat. I hope this doormat doesn't go to shit like my fall one I got from Hobby Lobby, because that one, San Antonio heat, destroyed it and it was super sticky and I had to throw it away. So that was unfortunate. But I hope this one holds up. So this was an $8 rug from Dollar General, and isn't it so cute? I love it. It just has this cute little lettering, and yeah, I thought about making my own, but I was a little too lazy with it, and this is kind of like one of those materials that take a lot of time to paint. But $8, it's a decent size. It's not too big. It is a little small, but it works. So that's it from Dollar General. One thing I ordered from Amazon are some pillow covers for the guest room day bed, and this is what they look like. I just got these red cardinal bird print 16 by 16 inch throw pillow covers, and I thought they're super cute. I will show you guys how I decorate it and style it and everything, but it's like this faux burlap fabric. It's very thin. It's not like high quality material, but it works for the season. Like, so you get a pack of 2, and I think this was like 12 or 13 bucks, somewhere around there, but aren't they just cute? Okay, so the most damage I really did was at Target this year. I don't know, Target got the best of me again. So I'm gonna save Target for last, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Homegoods, because that's always fun. I was like everyone else, hunting for those like viral blankets. Everyone keeps making things viral. It's like, can we chill out a little bit? I literally, it's not the pink snowflake or the pink snowman. I was looking for the red and green Christmas trees, and I was looking for that for weeks and weeks. Like, I was literally looking for it in October, like the beginning of October, and I just found it like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks ago. Randomly, I was returning a blanket and I found it. So I got me this baby. Look at that. Oh my god. I found one of the popular blankets, and this is the one that I really wanted, and I was like over the moon excited when I seen it in store. So cute. And this is Bella Luxe decorative throw, 25 bucks. The only downside to these popular blankets, they're spot clean only. And I didn't realize that until after I bought them, or bought it. I figure it's because of the yarn. So the yarn may unravel if you throw it in a wash, but this will just go on my master bed. So it'll just be purely decorative, but you can unravel it. Sorry. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. And then this blanket next is pretty much trees, but it's the blanket I found way before that one that I was hunting for, and it's this one from Rachel Zoe, and it's a neutral tree blanket. It's cream, it's really big, and it's pretty soft, and it just has white trees, cream on the outside, and then it's also, see, you can see it, it's very neutral, but it's also reversible. So the front side is cream and white trees, and then the other side is white with cream trees. So it has like 2 styles you can play with, and I thought that was really cute, and it's a really, really nice blanket, and I just decided I'm gonna keep it because I like the simplicity of it, and if next year I want to have more of a subtle like style in my home again, then this will be a perfect blanket for that. So this one was 25 as well, and I actually found this one at TJ Maxx. Last items from Homegoods are 2 mugs and a canister that I'm gonna put on my coffee bar. Got These are made in Portugal, which I always love getting things that say that. And these are $6 each. But I just got 2 of them, and they're super, super cute. Really big, and like they're a really decent size mug. And they are dishwasher and microwave safe as well. See a close up. It has like that vintage look, and I really like it. But it's a really decent size. And I thought these were really cute just to pair with the gingerbread. So I got this little canister. As you can tell, I'm kind of staying within the red theme. So I thought it was really cute, perfect size. Where I'm gonna put it, I'm just gonna put sugar in this, and it just looks like that. It's really, really cute, ceramic, and it was only $8. And I wanted to get a canister that was simple for my husband to lift the lid off, because he's having a hard time with the pumpkin one that I got. He really doesn't like that. So this one will be perfect, and it's just not much else to say, you know. It's a simple, cute little canister, and it's festive. Moving on, here's Target from last year. They came out with these cute blueberry like stems. I got these last year. I haven't seen them this year, so I'm sorry. It's an item showing you that they don't have. Hobby Lobby, and I think Michael's tends to sell these. Something close to them, so you can maybe get an idea, or something like a dupe, I guess. I love them. I haven't got to use them yet, and I'm just like super excited. And I have like 5 or 6 of them. I don't know. Okay, so last thing I got from Target for last year that they don't have this year. I really hate that I'm showing this stuff, but I guess it's more of like inspo and like ideas. But I got these $2 spot items from last year. So just another like cheese board of an ornament and a tree. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys because they're cute, and I bought it last year and just never got to use it. Alrighty, moving on. Oh yeah, shoot. I have one more thing I got from last year, which are these hand towels. I got the trees, and I got these skiing ones, and as you can see, the tags are still on them. I haven't got to use them yet. So they don't have these this year. They do have something similar to this ski one that is out, so you can get something similar for this one, but not this one. So now we're gonna move on to all the stuff that you can still get this year, and it's a lot of blankets. So first, I got these hand towels that they had this year. I don't know, maybe they had them last year too. It's pretty like a standard classic Christmas style. So it's just these red striped ones. They have a green and white stripe as well, but I wanted to go for this style this year because I plan to pair it with these trees. It's pretty thick, and that's why I like them, and I like the pattern and everything. So I got one set of those. The next thing is a rug for the front door. It's going to be a layering rug for my doormat, and it's this one, which is so cute. This is $15. It's by Threshold, and I found this in the kitchen section, and it's really cute. It has pink, red, green, and yeah, it's going to look nice. This is, I think, an indoor mat, but I'm going to use it outside because, like, I think it'll be fine. I guess I'll show you guys what I got in the dollar spot. I got a lot of mini little bottleneck trees. I wanted to go for that colorful style, and I didn't have any colorful Christmas trees. I guess in the past I just bought the green ones, and I have a lot of green or like white. So this year I wanted to get a bunch of colors. So I have a whole bag of these little Christmas trees. Now I do wish that they sold bigger sizes and colorful shades. They only have like a couple colors and like a bigger tree, which really sucks because I want a giant like pink one. So I'll just narrow it down, the shades that I got. So I got these little colors. I even got a red one. So as you can see, the kind of style I'm going for. And I just got a lot of them, you guys, so that's all that's in this bag. Oh my god, it's so cute and festive. Ah, can't wait. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of these yet. I'm still trying to decide what I'm gonna do on my dining room table as like a centerpiece, but I'm thinking of like a little tree village. Okay. I got this cute threshold line this year. I have become a collector of seasonal blankets now. I really feel like I need them all, and I have way too many blankets. So I got this one that they came out this year, which is just a classic holly pattern, and once I seen it, I was like, that's so freaking cute. I love it. It's just like red and green and white, and these are 15 bucks. They also have like a snowflake, a plaid one that I also got. They have a ski slope one, a tree one. They have a decent amount. I do think last year's Target Christmas $15 throw blankets had better styles, but this year they do have a few cute ones, and this one is definitely really cute, and these blankets are just really soft. The one I got was another $15 blanket, and I got the classic like plaid red, green, and white, kind of like looks like Santa. And I just got this one as well, so they're just really cute together. The last blanket I picked up, and I believe they have this every year. I'm not sure. And I already unraveled it because I felt like I needed to see it, and it was a really big blanket. I was not expecting that. So I got a Wonder Shop blanket, and that was my pitiful work of trying to rewrap it. But I got this Wonder Shop holiday plush blanket, and this one is $15 as well. It's really cute. It's very colorful, and I'm so obsessed and excited about it. This one I'm gonna display. This one I'm gonna put on my couch along with the holly. So I'm kind of going for like this style. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait for Christmas. Just all this color. I love it. So these are the cute little blankets that you can find at Target right now. Make sure you check it out. And there's videos all over the place showing all the blankets. Last things to wrap up this haul are some pillows. I wanted to add some color into my bedroom. I wanted to get some bed pillows, and I found these from Opal House. And oh my god, they are so stinking cute. But isn't it cute with like the trees, and it's colorful? And I got 2 of them. These are $25 each, and that's what they look like. Oh yeah, it's gonna look so nice. Can't wait. Are on the little like smaller side, 14 by 20 inches. I was kind of hoping for like 14 by 26, but they're cute and they work, and yeah, so I got 2 of these babies, and that is it. I hope you guys got some ideas, inspiration. Definitely get on this stuff fast, you guys, because it's selling out like crazy. Like right when you see it like in store, you kind of gotta act then, because going back, it's like wiped out. I hope you guys enjoyed this early Christmas haul, and like I said, I hope you've seen some things that you liked and feel like you need now, and have fun hunting, like happy hunting. I will try my best to link everything that I showed, or at least some of the things that I showed you guys in this video, in the description box below. A lot of this stuff I feel like I can't link, so that's unfortunate, but I will try my best, so make sure you check down there, because I usually like to link things that I show in my videos, and I always say that, but I just do it as like a courtesy. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps me out so much, and subscribe if you want to stay tuned for future videos, and I don't know, you like me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.